Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you how to add PayPal to your Apple Wallet, so you can go ahead and pay with PayPal. So you can't actually add your PayPal to the wallet, but there is a way around this. You can get a PayPal debit card, which is so good, which then you can go add this debit card to your Apple Wallet. So it's not hard at all. All you got to do is request your card. But let's actually read up about this. The PayPal debit card lets you spend your PayPal balance in store anywhere. MasterCard is accepted, plus you get cash back. So it's actually good because you get cash back. So that's another plus for that. With PayPal rewards. So that's pretty cool to know that. All you got to do is request your card, and then it will take you to this page, and you put your email or your mobile number and click next, and then your password, and then it will say to request a card. Now you go back here, and as you can see, it has some information here. Get cash back, tap, insert or swipe, so you can use it on your Apple Wallet, which is what we want to do. Quick cash at ATMs. So all this information, if you just want to read this so you can get more info, go ahead. So now we want to go back to the mobile phone. So now I want to show you how to add the card to the mobile phone. So now we're on the iPhone, so you just want to search up settings, and now search up Apple Wallet, and now we click add card. And now we want to click debit or credit card and click continue and enter card details manually. So now we want to put a name here, which is your name here, and then now we want to add the PayPal card that we got off PayPal when we requested it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe.